In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive into it. Connecting Printify to Shopify is a fantastic way to streamline your print-on-demand business. With these two platforms working together, you can effortlessly manage your product designs, fulfill orders, and much more. So, whether you're starting your first online store or looking to improve your existing operations, this guide is sure to help. Let's start by ensuring that you have both a Printify account and a Shopify store set up. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and create those accounts. It's pretty straightforward. Just head over to the Printify website and sign up. They offer a free plan, which is perfect when you're just getting started. And for Shopify, you can start with a free trial too, so take advantage of that. Once you have both accounts ready, the next step is to log into your Printify account. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Printify dashboard. Here you can see various features that will help you create and manage your products. The first thing we need to do is connect Printify to your Shopify store. Look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You should see an option that says My Stores. Click on that. Then you will see a button that says Add New Store. This is where we start linking Printify with Shopify. Now you'll be prompted to choose a platform. Since we're working with Shopify today, go ahead and select that option. After clicking on it, a new window will pop up guiding you through the connection process. This is where your Shopify store URL comes into play. You'll need to enter it in the designated box. Make sure you've copied it directly from your Shopify store. Once you've entered your store URL, click on the button to connect. You'll then be redirected to Shopify, where you'll be asked to authorize Printify to manage your store. This step is essential as it allows Printify to handle your products and fulfillment directly through your Shopify account. Don't worry, Printify will only have access to what they need. After you've authorized the connection, you'll be taken back to your Printify dashboard. Congratulations! Your Printify account is now linked to your Shopify store. Next, let's create some products. In Printify, go to the catalog on the left sidebar. Here's where the fun begins. Browse through the wide array of products available for printing. From t-shirts to mugs, towels to phone cases, you can find something for every niche. Select the product you want to customize by clicking on it. You'll land on a design page where you can upload your artwork or choose from the built-in templates. Make sure your designs are high quality, as this will ensure a great final product. Once you upload your design, you can adjust its size and placement, and voila, your product is taking shape. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Add to Store button. This will automatically push the product to your connected Shopify store. But don't forget to fill out the product details in Shopify, like the title, description, price, and any additional information you want your customers to see. Now pay attention, because this next step is crucial. After setting up your product on Printify and pushing it to Shopify, return to your Shopify dashboard. Head over to the Products section and make sure that your new item appears there. You can edit it further if needed and organize it into collections to keep your store neat and easy to navigate. Finally, it's always a good idea to test the purchasing process. This ensures that everything works smoothly for your customers. Go ahead and make a test order to ensure that your new product is ready for sale. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to Shopify and created your first product. Remember, this is just the beginning. Now you can create many more products, explore marketing strategies, and build a thriving print-on-demand business. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Happy selling, and see you next time.